I'm a field applications engineer with Microchip Technology, and what I'd like to show you today is a really fun gadget that I built. It's a Nixie Tube Clock. It's actually based on 4 Nixie tubes that I purchased off eBay, and then I designed the appropriate circuits to drive those tubes. First thing you can see is the time, and you can see we do 0 leading edge blanking. It's currently 9:39. And then to show those off, you can see all the LED fading. To show those off, we did a randomization. You'll notice when it does its randomization, it flips to a 4-digit number. That is our temperature from the temp sensor, and at that time we stopped doing LED fading. You'll see that in a second. So you can see it's currently 83.06 or 83.18. The temperature sensor that we're using, the MCP9808, that has 1/16 of a degree or 0.6 degrees F resolution. Some other features of this clock are there is RGB LEDs in each one of these, under each one of these tubes. And you'll notice that each one of these can be an individual color. You'll notice color fading. I used a PIC16F1509, which that part has 4 hardware PWMs and I2C on it. And I used 3 of the PWMs for the RGB LEDs, and then the I2C bus is connected across all of the 16F1509s. I decided that it would be a lot more fun to do an infrared decoder. And once I determined the carrier frequency, I used a Vishay IR decoder that was tuned to that carrier frequency. I was also concerned about the high voltages and wanted to make this clock as safe as possible. So what I decided to do was add a passive infrared detector, and these are commonly used in home security systems for occupancy sensors. My personal cost was about $87, and that's the cost of the tubes, the printed circuit board. I will admit that the microchip devices I got for free, but their cost is maybe $10 or less than that. I had considered time zone and daylight savings adjustments. It actually has the ability to do that because the RTC can know the calendar year and it can automatically adjust for that. I haven't updated the firmware to handle the month and day and year, but that is a future enhancement I'll probably be adding. Look at the time. I gotta get this done before Design West. See you there. Thanks.